I'm Mark Titania. I'm the Sales Director at Laser Lines Limited, a Stratasys Platinum partner, and we're here today at the DMC at Silverstone. We're here today at the DMC, the first of 3 technology days showcasing the new Stratasys production-based technology.
Well, firstly, Laser Lines Platinum partner, always happy to support. Obviously we've got our new NPI, so the Origin, and to be able to showcase that, and the HD50, amazing. It's a huge impact, getting back to face, seeing our customers, feeling things, the whole emotion of it. It's what we need to be back to, and I'm more than happy to do it more and more.
For us today, what we've got out of it, every day is a school day in additive manufacturing, so we're always learning, and seeing such great technology experts actually coming to visit, and we can listen to them and what they're talking about. Obviously it aids us to then be able to support our customers.
It's great to come to an event like this, hosted by the DMC, powered by Laser Lines and Stratasys, and see all these technologies in one place under one roof, and also see for yourself as well, get hands-on with a few demo parts, and see the footprints of the machines as well, see how much space they actually take up and what's involved, not just in printing a part, but also the post-processing side of things as well.
I'm really pleased with how today's gone. We've had a great lineup of speakers, some great attendees, some really good questions, some really good buzz feel about the place. Don't worry, if you've missed today, there's an opportunity to join us again in June or again in September to have your chance to come here and see the new Stratasys technology at the DMC.